everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to change your language on your Android phone. So we can swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Go all the way down to the bottom. We're looking for system. Look for the circle with the eye. Then we got language on the top. You can look at the little icon. We got A. Then we got system language right here. Then we can add a language. Now once you add a language, you can try dragging it to the top here, and you can change the device default language. And then once we change the language under here, go back. And we might have to do this for the apps too. So it should be the system default through all these. So if you change the system default, you should be able to read that. But it looks like this T-Mobile one, I have to switch over by myself. So just take a scroll through here and see if everything is changed over or not. And then we got the regional preferences too for Fahrenheit, Celsius, first day of the week. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.